Guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video guys, we're in vacation, so we're gonna live in this place for 7 days. And it's only little, and they have a nice view in there, so maybe we can go there tomorrow. And our car full of our stuff. Yan. So that's our things. And yeah, I will tour you in this house. It's not that big. That's our stuff. Yan. Then there's Julia. So yeah. And we have this a little kitchen. There's a couch. And then yeah. So kitchen, fridge, and then you can wash your hands. And then shower guys. That's shower. The little. And then that's the sink for washing your face or something. And then this is the where you want to, you know, to do something, to poop or something. And then this is the room. This is the room, guys. So yeah, that's the room. And we have a little stairs here that you can go up. There is something upstairs. That's Julia. And then wait lang. And then there's a bed there. Yeah. So that's what it looked like, guys. So there's a little. There's this Julia. And we have some TV here. And
I see from the outside. Yeah. It's funny.
Yeah.
Oh, what a cool.
A few moments later.
Rock and roll, Joel, rock and roll. Rock and roll. Oh my god. Rock and roll. rock and roll. Papa, look, Papa. Watch out, Julia, your face. Oh my gosh, you can do it. Very good. Wow! So we have shopping already, and I'm eating this fish. Yeah.